Yeah, so morning fellas, this is a brand new Xpulse and we have Narendra with us. Brand new motorcycle, new to the scene of adventure riding, or for that matter any bike which has high ground clearance and kind of has a very strong suspension setup. So the few basics that I could share with Narendra now is because he's totally new to the scene and we have a surface that keeps sliding. So if you guys can see, this offers very little traction compared to tarmac for somebody who's beginning to ride off-road. And well, this technically is not something which is like the hardcore off-road terrain that we guys are used to riding. This will definitely be a lot more easier for a beginner. But then again, this causes slides, and slides is not something that you are used to on tarmac. And the moment you experience slide on tarmac, the next thing that comes along with it is a crash. So how do you go about sliding the whole way and still be comfortable? Okay, so the thing is, Narendra, what you could do, you are used to steering like this and this. That is, if you want to go on to a direction, you are used to steering not just your handlebar, but also your body. If you want to go left, you do this. You want to go right, you do that. That's the natural way of steering. With off-road, what you can do is, instead of doing left and right, you can hold your knee to the tank and do counterbalancing. So if I want to go right, I move my body left and I push my bike right. If I want to go left, I push my bike left and I move my body right. That way, if this is your motorcycle and this is you are all the time counterbalancing. And the center of gravity remains the same. There's no chance of you falling down because you are balancing the motorcycle. So when you push your bike to your left and you move to your right, your contact patch is almost centered to the two of you. Yeah, so there's no way, even if you have a slide, it will not be as wobbly as when you turn along with the bike. When you turn along, slide, you fall. But now you're counterbalancing. So just try that. That will give you so much more confidence. We got Arun and we've got Narendra, both of them friends, and we've got the forest, my friend. Was that fun?
Yes, very good. Excellent, excellent. Nice. You can turn from here. Better. Wait. തിരിച്ചു വരണോ അത് അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകണോ? Just wait there.
I think the one near the water was most challenging.
Near the water. अच्छा वहाँ पे अच्छा. Okay, okay.
Going up and going down.
This is nice, right? Your bike is taking everything for you.
No, I think you'll have to drive this once.
We will definitely. I mean, I've been riding for so many years now. Huh? No, I've not ridden a 4V. I've only ridden a 2V.
It's a great improvement as per all the reviews.
Yeah. But this was fun, right? Climbing up, all that.
It's all great fun.
Until you drop. until you're looking at the sky, wondering what happened.
Even until I drop, that's okay. Until I don't break something.
That's the usual case.
Just be careful with it. Even if I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, even if I'm going fast, don't try to chase me.
No, I didn't.
I'm just telling you. Just telling you. I know you will not, but I'm just saying. Ride at your own pace.
और इसमें गिरोगे तो समझ में आ रहा है ना, very different from the previous terrain. ശരിക്കും എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ? You are one lucky fellow with that motorcycle. Narendra, now what you will do is you'll act the cameraman, the videographer, huh?
That was a hobby that I used to do for some time.
Acha. So that is where we're going to be jumping now. Hi.
He's a very close cheta of us.
Ben.
Hi. And he's my friend Narendra. Hi. Sam.
Narendra.
So you frequent this place?
No, first time.
First time, huh?
Yeah.
Lovely place, right? Hey.